Now, if you're looking for 4 different variations of sit-ups, ones that help work out on shoulders, chest, or even potentially even back as well, then you come to the right place. Now, these 4 variations are ones that you can apply while working out from home. More time, the variations that I've also applied as well. This helps intensify the workout, and adding different type of variations towards your workout helps keep you more motivated within the workout and helps challenges your body, because your body would eventually adjust to the same workout day in and day out. Which is why 4 different sit-up variations is a good thing to implement if you're working from home or doing home workouts and you're thinking, what other alternatives are there to sit-ups, or how else can I do sit-ups to make it more intense or more exciting or more motivating to do. And these are the 4 ideas that I made and I've implemented, and I personally prefer. I'm just here to share that with you guys. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm not going to waste too much time. Let's just get into the video. What's up guys, welcome back. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys like the variations. Let me know which one is your favorite variation, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also tell me your experience as well. Tell me which ones you thought was the hardest or which one you thought wasn't as irrelevant to you, and yeah, just share your experience anyway. Don't forget to share and stay bold.